What answer does the Congress government has for this, sir? The achievement, the target was 21,428 and the achievement is only 950, which is only 4%. Isn't it sad? Only 4%. And these are not my numbers, sir. These are the demands tabled in this house. Sir, when we go to skill training for STs, sir, here I would say, sir, number of beneficiaries 8,000. Achievement 5,000, sir. Very good. For the year 23-24, the achievement was 71%. But again, sir, when we see for 24-25, they have gone beyond the target, sir. So if we see, sir, in so many things, sir, promotion of inter-caste marriage, number of beneficiaries 200, sir, achievement is 0, again 1%. So I am just reading out from the book, sir, and the figures which have been given, sir. So now if we have to see, sir, the financial review also, the amount spent also, it is far less, sir. Now coming to backward classes, sir. Coming to backward classes, the BC include among the minorities more than 56% of the state population at the caste survey, but the budgetary allocation for them is rupees 11,405 crores in the year 2025 and 2026 budget, sir. To see the performance of BC Welfare Department scheme, please see the outcome budget 2025-2026 booklet of BC Welfare Department, page number 12 to 41, and also please see the page 51 for review of performance of autonomous bodies, sir. Sir, in a way, this is gross injustice to them, even as 22 corporations, sir. Sir, if I start reading that, sir, again I'm sure, sir, it will be a very big embarrassment for the government, sir. When I have said about the page numbers, sir, from page number 12 to again all the pages, sir, the expenditure of BCs is 0, 0, 0, sir. I have always been telling this, sir. In the last speech also I had mentioned that there are so many BC corporations. Sir, what is the allocation? What is the expenditure? What has been the achievement? What has been spent on BC, sir? So many corporations, the amount has not been released, sir, and it is 0, 0, 0 everywhere, sir. If we have to see the details, sir, again, if I have to see for MTF, sir, for backward classes, my learned friend from Bharatiya Janata Party was mentioning about the release of the scholarship amount. Yes, sir, I support him. And I say that whatever he has mentioned is right. We need to release the scholarships, sir, of the BC student, the SC, STs, minorities, sir. And, sir, when we see the details, sir, the MTF for the year 24-25 and 24-25, sir, the budget allocation is 453.53, sir. The budget release is 450.34. This is what earlier I had said, sir. Sir, they release the BROs, they allocate funds and then they release the BROs, but the amount is not released from the government treasury and the expenditure comes down. Now, if we have to see, sir, budget release, they are saying 450 crores, sir. Expenditure is 101 crore. This is only 24%, sir, for MTF. For RTF, again, if we see, sir, the subtotal, sir, on the page number 13, sir, in this RTF also for the financial year 24-25 subtotal, the budget allocation is 1,215.37 crores, sir. Budget release, they are saying 1,200. Expenditure incurred is 251, sir. When you have released 1,200, so why did the BC corporation fail to incur the expenditure, sir? Paise dete hi nahi, sir. This is, the trick and the magic which is being played by the finance department with the welfare corporation, sir. In this book, they are clearly mentioning budget release 1,200. Expenditure is 251. And this comes to only 21%, sir. Sir, EBC RTF, same, sir, 16.40. So the allocations are so less And again, sir, if we have to see MJP overseas, again it is 28% only, sir. If we have to see expenditure incurred, is only 28%. Sir, now again, if we have to see subsidy to BC advocates, sir, we had passed one bill, welfare of advocates, and also in the subsidy to BC advocates, sir, financial year 2024, budget allocation was 1 crore, budget release was 50 lakhs, expenditure incurred is only 7,000, sir. That is 7%. So, and these are not my figures, sir. These are the figures which have been tabled in this house, sir. Does the government have any answer for this, sir? Sir, just giving mere, saying that BCs are so much, we'll give them reservation with this and that. No, sir, they need these allocations. They need the funds. They need these promises to be fulfilled, sir. So now if we again have to go to page number 38, sir. Telangana Kumari Shalivahana Cooperative Society Federation, sir. Sir, they were allocated 50.00 crore, sir. Budget released 20.40, expenditure incurred is only 0, sir. So you see, sir, 0, sir. And again, Telangana Medira Finance Corporation, there also it is 0. Telangana Vishwa Brahmin Corporation, again there is also, 0, sir. Telangana Munuru Kapu Corporation, expenditure 0. Telangana Padmashali Corporation Society, expenditure 0. Telangana Perika Puragiri Kashyatriya Corporation, expenditure 0. Telangana Lingayat Cooperative Society Corporation, expenditure 0. Telangana Meera Corporation Society, expenditure 0. Telangana Gangaputra Cooperative Society Corporation, expenditure 0. Special Welfare Board for Economically Backward Classes, expenditure 0. So this is the state. So it is very sad, sir. It is very sad. You talk about BCs, you want the vote of BCs, but when we see the expenditure, it is 0, 0, 0. 10 years, 10 साल नाइंसाफी की गई बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के साथ, और अभी भी 15 महीने हो गए हैं, इंसाफ उनके साथ आज भी नहीं हो रहा है। मैं इसलिए कहता हूं कि बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के एक मजबूत लीडर की जरूरत है इस ऐवान में, जो खड़े रहकर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस की नाइंसाफी पर आवाज उठाए और उनको उनका हक दिलाए। और मैं आज माइनॉरिटीज के साथ साथ बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के लिए भी यहां खड़ा हूं और उनकी आवाज बनके हुकूमत को मुतवज्जे करवा रहा हूं। हुकूमत के सामने यह नाइंसाफी को लाते हुए उम्मीद कर रहा हूं कि कम से कम आप तो बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के सिर्फ वोट नहीं लेंगे, बल्कि उनके साथ हकीकी तौर पे इंसाफ करेंगे। सर, इट इज वेरी सैड, सर। इट इज वेरी सैड, सर।